unrelenting military siege imposed by fascist Modi regime in August 2019 continues to take heavy toll on daily life of the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir as one more innocent youth fell to Indian state terrorism in the territory today. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today revealed since revocation of Jammu and Kashmir's special status in August 2019, Indian troops martyred 538 Kashmiris, including a dozen women. Most of the victims were killed in fake encounters under the garb of so-called anti-militancy operations. Over 17,000 people, including all parties Hurriyat conference leaders, were arrested under black laws, while 2,189 people were critically injured when troops opened fire on peaceful demonstrators in the occupied territory. Over 1,000 houses and structures were damaged and 117 women were molested by the troops. Meanwhile, the occupation troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one more youth in Nadigam area of Shopian district today. The incarcerated All Parties Hurriyat Conference chairman, Musarrat Alam Butt, in a message from New Delhi's notorious Tihar jail, while denouncing the gruesome killings, deplored that more than 1 million occupation troops continue to besiege 10 million Kashmiris in the occupied territory. Shielded by the draconian laws, he said, the Indian troops carry out systematic genocide of the Kashmiri Muslims with impunity. A delegation of Jammu and Kashmir political resistance movement during a visit to the residences of recently martyred youth Inayat Ahmed and Zahid Wani in Pulwama today expressed solidarity with their families and said that systematic killing of Kashmiri youth is an obvious manifestation of ethnic cleansing. PDP's detained youth leader Wahid Parra was found unconscious in Central Jail, Srinagar. His family members told the media that Wahid's health is worsening day by day and demanded better medical facilities for him. In Washington, more than 60 civil society organizations from 11 countries in a statement expressed solidarity with the Indian American Muslim Council vis-a-vis Indian government's baseless allegations against the US-based forum. They termed the accusations made by the Modi regime against the council as Islamophobic. The Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Jammu, JCCI, has strongly criticized the unilateral decision of the authorities on imposition of COVID-19 related weekend lockdown, saying that the interests of distressed traders and retailers in the territory are being ignored with these illogical decisions.